Hello everyone. Now let us see this 14th question. Question is, if a is equals to 100 minus 1, find a square and a cube, and also state which of these is equals to a. So a is given, we have to find a square. So in solution, a square, I can write a square a into a. First of all, we will say that a square is a into a, and this is equal, and 0 minus 1, this is multiplied by this 1 0 and 0 minus 1. Okay, so we multiply here, this whole line will be multiplied by this vertical line. So this 1 into 1 plus this 0 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1. Second line, in the same way we can say that this is 0 into 1 plus this is minus 1 into 0, and here it is 0 into 0 plus this is minus 1 into minus 1. We have, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, and this is plus 1. So we got 1 0 0 1. This is a square. Now a cube we can say that a square into a 0. This is again multiplied by 1 0 0 minus 1. 1 0 0 minus 1. Okay. So now we have 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0, and the second element will be 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1. Now here we have 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, and here we have 0 into 0 plus 1 into minus 1. So now I get 1 here, 0 here, 0 here, and minus 1 here. So 1 0 0 minus 1. So 1 0 0 minus 1 is my a, which is, I will say that a is equals to a. So therefore what I got a cube is equals to a. A cube is equals to a is the answer, right? Okay. Now let us move to the 15th problem. Question number 15. Now here 15th problem, if x is given, we have to show that 6x minus x square is equals to 9i. Now I is a unit matrix. Here x is of order 2, so unit matrix will also be of order 2. Okay, so 6x minus x square. So here what we do, we first find what is x square. So x square is x into x, that is 4 1 minus 1 2 into this is 4 1 minus 1 2. This is my x square. So this 4 1 multiplied by, so what we will get, 4 into 4 plus 1 into minus 1. Second line we will get 4 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Here we will get minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1, and this 4 element we will get minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. This is x square. So my x square will be 4 4 the 16 minus 1. This is 4 plus 2. This is minus 4 minus 2, and this is 1 plus 4. Okay. So what we got? We got 15, 6, minus 6, 5. This is x square. Now what I want? 6x minus x square. So now 6x minus x, 6 into 4 1 1 4 1 minus 1 2. This is 4 1 minus 1 2, 6x minus x square. So x square, the value of x square we have 15, 6 and minus 6 and 5. So this is 6 into 4 24, and minus I have 15. The second element 6 into 1 is 6, minus I have 6. Here it is minus 6, and this is minus minus plus 6, and 6 to the 12 minus 5. So this is equals to, now 24 minus 15, I got 9 here, I got 0 here, I got 0 here, and I got 7. Okay, so let us check. Somewhere I am doing some mistake. I think here I done a mistake. Okay, this is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 4, I should get 3. Okay, how I realize that there is somewhere mistake? It's easy na? Because 9i, that means I should get answer as 9. Okay, what happened? So here it should be 3. So here I should subtract 3. And when I subtract 3 from 12, I will get 9, right? 9. Okay. Now we can take 9 common. Now here it is 1 0 0 1, and this 1 0 0 1 is called your I. So your answer is 9i. 6x minus x square is 9i. This is problem number 15. Okay. Now let us move to question number 16. Question number 16. Now this 16th problem, we have given a matrix, and we have to show that this is a solution of matrix x square minus 2x minus 3i is equals to 0, where I is a unit matrix of order 2. Okay, something is missing in this. Okay, problem is correct. Okay, we have to show that this is a solution, means this should be the value of x. This should be the value of x. When I will solve, I will get value of x as 1 2 2 1. So in this problem, what we can do? We can assume the value of x as 1 2 2 1 and find this value. If this is equal to 0, then we will say that key this 1 2 2 1 is a solution. Okay, so let us begin. Solution, let us consider, let the value of x is 1 2 2 1. Let us take this as x. Now the value of x square, so it is 1 2 2 1 multiplied by 1 2 2 1, right? Okay, so this is equals to, now this 1 2, so 1 is multiplied by 1 plus 2 is multiplied by 2. Here is 1 is multiplied by 2 plus 2 is multiplied by 1 2, and here it is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay, so what we get, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4. Here 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Here it is 2 into 1 2 plus 2, and here it is 2 to the 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so this is x square. Now x square minus 2x minus 3i. So therefore we have x square minus 2x minus 3i, x square minus 2x minus 3i. Let us find this value. Okay, so x square, we know it is 5 4 4 5 minus 2 into the value of x is 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1, and minus 3 into I is 1 0 0 1. Okay, so this is equals to, now what I will write, this is 5 minus 3 into 1 3. Second, I will write 4 minus 2 into 2. Okay, minus 3 into 0, 3 into 0 is 0. Then here it is 4 minus, this is 2 into 2 4, and then 3 into 0 is 0. I can say minus 0, better, it is minus 0. And then last term, it is 5 minus 2 into 1, and then minus 3 into 1. So this is equals to, now 5 minus 5 we get 0, 4 minus 4 we get 0, 4 minus 4 here also 0, and 5 minus 2 minus 3, so 5 minus 5, again this is 0. So this is what, this is 0 matrix. So therefore what I can say, that therefore when x is equals to 1 2 2 1, we get x square minus 5x minus 3i equal to 0, right? Minus 2x minus 3i. Okay, this is minus 2x. This is not 5, this is minus 2x. Okay, so therefore this 1 2 and this 2 1 is a solution of x square minus 2x minus 3i equal to 0. Right? Is there any other way we can do it? Might be, but for 10th standard I think this is how you must proceed. Okay, this is our question number 16. Okay, now move to question number 17. Question number 17. Now here the problem is find the matrix X of order 2 by 2 which satisfies this equation. Okay, so again let us solve this. First we multiply this left hand side. This is 3 into 0 plus 7 into 5 plus 7 into 3. Here we have 2 into 0 plus 4 into 5. Here we have 2 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Okay, plus 2x is equals to, on right hand side we have 1 minus 5 minus 4 and 6. So therefore 3 into 0, this is 0. 7 into 5, 35. Now 3 to the 6 plus 7 3 the 21. 6 plus 21. Here 2 into 0, 0 plus 4 into 5, this is 20. Here 2 into 2, 4 plus 4 3 the 12. Plus this is 2x is equals to, here what we get? We get 1 minus 5 minus 4, 6. Okay. Okay, now the value of 2x. So therefore 2x is equals to, right hand side we have 1 minus 5 minus 4 6 minus, now I have to subtract 35. 21 plus 6 is 27. This is 20. 4 plus 12, 16. Okay, so this 2x is equals to, here it is 1 minus 35. Here it is minus 5 minus 27. Here it is minus 4 minus 20. And here it is 6. So this is equals to, now 1 minus 35 is minus 34. Minus 5 minus 27 is minus 32. Here it is minus 24 and here it is minus 10. This is the value of 2x. So therefore x, we can say that therefore x is equals to, this 2 will come on this side, it is 1 by 2 minus 34 minus 24 minus 32 minus 10. So you have to divide each term by 2, each number by 2. So it is minus 17, this is minus 16, this is minus 12, this is minus 5. Okay, so this is your value of x. Simple question, right? You have to just simplify as you are doing any other algebraic expression, right? Okay, now question number 18. Now here 18th question is, if A is equals to this 1 1 xx, this matrix, we have to find the value of x so that A square is 0. So it is given that A square is a null matrix. A square means this 1 1 xx, this is multiplied by this 1 1 xx, and the result we get is 0 0 0 0, right? Okay, so therefore here it is 1 into 1 plus 1 into x. Here it is 1 into 1, 1 plus x into x. Here we have x into 1 plus x into x. And this right hand side we have 0 0 0 0. Okay, so therefore here we have 1 plus x. Here we have 1 plus x. Here we have x plus x square. Here we have x plus x square. And right hand side we have all 0 0. So by equality of matrix. Now both the sides we have matrix, so I will say that therefore by equality of matrix, what we say, we can say that this 1 plus x is 0 and this x plus x square is 0. Okay, so here therefore we get x is equals to minus 1, and here we can take x common, and here we have 1 plus x or x plus 1. I will say this is 0. So therefore x is minus 1, and what we are getting, x is 0 or x is minus 1. So x is minus 1 is common, so therefore we will say that x is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to minus 1 is the answer. I hope you understood this question. You have to find the value of x so that A square is null matrix. So what we done, we find out A square and null matrix is already there. We compare it. After comparing, we find that 1 plus x is 0 and x plus x square 0. Okay, so x plus x square 0 gives me either x is 0 or x is minus 1, but from this 1 plus x 0 we get x is equals to minus 1. So finally x is equals to minus 1 will be your answer for this whole matrix, right? Okay, now 19th question. Now this 19th problem, we have to find x and y. If we have given this into this is equals to this. Okay, so let us solve this first question. What is given? It is given that minus 3, 2 and this 0, minus 5, when it is multiplied by x2, we get minus 5 and y. So therefore here we have minus 3 into x, that is minus 3x, then 2 into 2 it is 4, then here 0 into x is 0 and minus 5 into 2 is minus 10, and here on right hand side we have minus 5 and y. So therefore what we can say, that by equality of matrix, we have this, we compare, right? So we will say that therefore this minus 3x plus 4 is equals to minus 5, and this minus 10 is equals to y. So therefore we have minus 3x is equals to minus 5 minus 4, that is minus 9, and y equal to minus 10. So therefore the value of x is minus 9 upon minus 3, which is equals to 3, and value of y is minus 10. Isn't it simple? Okay, right? Okay, solve this second problem by yourself. Try this second question. So this is our second question. Now here what we will say, that we multiply, so it is 2x into 3 plus this is x into 2, so 2x we can say, then here 3 into y, this is 3y, plus 3y into 2, that is 3 to the 6y, and this is equals to, now here I have 16 and here I have 9. So therefore this will give me 3 to the 6x plus 2x, this is 3y plus 6y is what, 9y, and this is equals to, now here it is 16 and here it is 9. So I will say that 8x and here it is 9y and here it is 16 and 9. So therefore you say that by equality of matrix, we have 8x is equals to 16 and 9y equal to 9. So therefore it gives me x is equals to 16 upon 8 and y is equals to 9 upon 9. So therefore I get x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. So the value of x is 2 and value of y is 1, right? Okay, done. Fine. This is your 19th question. Now let us see one more question, question number 20. Now here question number 20 is find the value of x and y if this is given. Okay, so again we multiply this left hand side, x plus y multiplied by 2 is 2x plus 2y, then y multiplied by minus 1 is minus y. Here in the second row we have 2x multiplied by 2 is 4x, and this x minus y multiplied by minus 1, so it gives me minus x plus y is equals to, now right hand side we have 3 2. Okay, so therefore by comparing of matrix, or by comparing, no, I will say that by equality of matrix, by equality of matrix we have 2x plus y equal to 3, and this is 4x minus x is 3x plus y equal to 2. Okay, this you consider equation 1, this you consider equation 2. So subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, so subtracting, we will solve equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, so you subtract equation 2 from 1, what do you get? 2x minus 3x is equals to 3 minus 2 is 1. So therefore we get minus x is equals to 1, x is equals to minus 1. Now we put x is equals to minus 1 in equation 1, say. So what we get? We get 2x, that is 2 into minus 1, 2x plus y, and this will give me 3. So therefore y is equals to 3. This is minus 2, so it will come here and it will become plus 2. So therefore I get y is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5. So y is 5, x is minus 1 and y is 5. This is the answer. This is our question number 20. Okay, so let us stop here and see you in the next class.